Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll continue doing some problems about this section 8.4, which is, as I said, it's just only this substitution. If I saw a square minus a square make a sine theta, even if I have square root a square plus, if I have a square, then I write tan theta, as minus a square, a secant theta. And then after I finish in terms of theta, return it to x through this, this triangle. Completing the square before you go further. So of this function, of this polynomial, so I have minus x squared plus 4x here plus 5. This 5. I took minus, so it will be minus x squared plus 4x. To complete the square, I will add 4. But this is times minus 4, so I add 4 outside. That will be minus x plus 2 square plus 9. So what I have x squared over square root 9 minus x plus 2 all squared dx. Now be careful. I want this, the things inside the square. This is what I want it to be, sine theta. So I will let x plus 2 to be, this is 3 squared, to be a, which is 3 sine theta. So when I plug it into the square root, and this is the most important, and it will be square root of 9 minus, this is square, which is 9 sine square. That gives me square root of 9 minus x plus 2 all square. And that will be, I can take 9 out, 1 minus sine square cosine square, that will be 3 cosine theta d theta. So I get rid of the absolute value, of the square root of the absolute value. So now, but this is, I need x here. X will be what? 2 minus 3 sine theta. That will be my x. So dx will be what? Minus 3 cosine theta d theta. Okay, because I need to substitute x. Yeah. X will be, no, what is this? Sorry. X will be 3 sine theta minus 2. Yeah, that will be 3 cosine theta d theta. Now I plug the numbers. What I have in the numerator x squared, that will be 3 sine theta minus 2 all square dx, which is 3 cosine theta d theta over all this square root is 3 cosine theta d theta. Now I work this integral. This is cancelled. 3 cosine theta. What is d theta? No d theta. This is 3 cosine theta. So I have what? Integral 9 sine square minus 12 sine theta plus 4 d theta. This is sine square. I need the double angle idea. So that will be integral. Just I need to do the integration now. 9 half minus half cosine 2 theta minus 12 sine theta plus 4 d theta. That give me what? 9 over 2 plus 4, that will be 17 over 2. This is the integral. Make a bracket. X squared over 2. I have minus 9 over 2 cosine 2 theta minus 12 sine theta d theta. Yeah. And this is equal to what? 17 over 2 theta minus 9 over 2 times half sine 2 theta. Okay. minus 12, that will be plus cosine theta plus c. Are we done? No, I need to write everything in terms of x. So let me give it another. Just a space, so that will be what? 17. Let me rewrite it over 2 theta minus 9 over 4 sine 2 theta plus 12 cosine theta plus c. And I have my substitution was x plus 2 equal 3 sine theta. Now I need, this is in terms of theta, I need to rewrite it in terms of x. So what I have x, or I have x plus 2 over 3 is sine theta. So do the triangle. Do the triangle, that will be theta. Sine theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse, that will be x plus 2. This is 3. And that will be square root. The remaining, you know what, 3D Pythagorean theorem, that will be x plus 2 square minus 3. Or 3, or 9. This is square, which is 9 minus x plus 2 square. The hypotenuse is square minus the opposite square. Because you want this square plus this square, it will be under the square root is 3. Okay. It's just Pythagorean theorem. Now, also theta is what? Theta will be sine inverse x plus 2 over 3. That will be theta. So I have 17 over 2 sine inverse x plus 2 over 3. Here I have sine 2 theta. I can convert it into sine, 2 sine cosine. So that will be minus 9 over 2. Sine is what? Sine is x plus 2 over 3. And cosine is the adjacent over 3, square root of 9 minus, which is, I know that this is this, 5 minus 4x minus x squared. This is 5 minus 4x minus x squared over 3. Plus 12 cosine theta. What is cosine theta? Is this over 3. That will be square root 5 minus 4x minus x squared over 3 plus c. So all of this will be sine over 2 sine inverse x plus 2 over 3. This is 9 cancelled. Minus half. Yeah. Minus x plus 2 over 2. Square root 5 minus 4x minus x squared. Plus 4. Square root 5 minus 4x minus x squared plus c. Is it? Yeah. Now everything is okay. That will be the answer. It's a little bit lengthy, but the idea is very simple. I complete the square, and then I will do this substitution. And the rest is just, then I get the things in terms of theta. I need to make it in terms of x. I return back I use the triangle to do that. Just do the calculation. Square root 9 minus x squared. Okay, this is very clear. I will let, this is 3 square. So my x will be 3 sine theta. Dx will be 3 cosine theta. Square root 9 minus x squared. That will be square root of 9 minus 9 sine square, which is 3 cosine theta. Don't forget you have d theta here. So that will be what? 3 cosine theta dx, which is 3 cosine theta d theta. So that will give us what? 9. Take the 9 out. I don't need it. Cosine square theta d theta. Okay. So now cosine square, I need to use the trick of half angle. Half plus half cosine to theta. Double angle, I mean. That give me 9 of what? Now I can do the integration. I have half theta plus 1 over 4 sine to theta plus c. What is this? This I can write it 2 sine cosine. Then I do the triangle. From here, I have sine theta is x over 3. So I have, this is the opposite x, this is the hypotenuse, and this is will be square root 9 minus x squared. That gets it for cosine. Okay, so I have what, and what is theta? Theta will be sine inverse x over 3. So that will be 9 over 2, theta, which is sine inverse x over 3, plus 9 over 2 also, because 2 goes with the 4, half 9 over 2. Sine to theta, which is sine theta, cosine theta. Sine theta is x over 3. And cosine theta, it will be this over 3 plus c. So I have 9 over 2 sine inverse x over 3 plus, this is cancelled. I have x over 2 square root 9 minus x squared plus c. Okay. Another one. Shall I do trig function in this case? No, no need. Why? Because this is u, this is du. That's it. Times something, times a constant. So this is not trig substitution problem. It's just a regular substitution. Du will be what? Minus 2x dx. So it's not always when you have a square minus x squared, you need to do the trig substitution. Sometimes the regular substitution will work. So I need minus 2 and minus half outside. So that will be minus half integral of what? If this is u and this is du, you have square root of u du. That will be minus half u to the power half. That will be 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2 plus c. That give me minus 1 over 3. What is u? 9 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Yes. X squared square root 9 minus x squared. I think this time you must do it. Yeah. We cannot do it with the regular substitution. So we need the trig substitution. So I have u or x, in this case, will be 3 sine theta. Dx will be 3 cosine theta. D theta. Okay, just substitute. You have 9 sine square theta. What will be square root? 9 minus x square. That will be what? 3 cosine theta. So 3 cosine theta. And then also I have dx, which is another 3 cosine theta d theta. So that give me what? 9, 27. 9 times 9, 81. 27 times 3, that will be 81 integral of sine square theta cosine square theta d theta. Yeah. So if the power, like what we did in 8.3, if the power is even, I need to change it into double angle. So that 81, this is half minus half cosine 2 theta. And this is half plus half cosine 2 theta d theta. So I have what? 81. This is difference of 2 squares, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 cosine square 2 theta d theta. This I need also the double angle again. That will be 81 over 4 integral of 1 minus, what is this? This is half plus half cosine 4 theta in this case, d theta. That gives me 81 over 4. 1 minus half, that will be half. Minus half cosine 4 theta d theta. Now it's ready. So that is easy for me to do the integration. That will be what? 81 over 8 of what? This is 1, unless I will do the integration right away. That will be theta minus 1 over 4 sine 4 theta plus c. Okay. Are we done? No, not yet. I need to write theta. Also, I need to write sine 4 theta. What is sine 4 theta? Yeah, it will be a little bit complicated. I'm done with the integration. Now, how to return it to x? It will not be an easy one. So it will be, from here, I have sine theta is x over 3. So theta will be sine inverse x over 3. So I have 81 over 8 sine inverse x over 3 minus 81 over 32. What a nice numbers. 2 sine theta sine 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. I think I need. Yeah, it seems the problems are a little bit hard. Just to return them to the original one. That would be 81 over 8 sine inverse x over 3 minus 81 over 16 sine 2 theta cosine 2 theta. Let's see. I change this into regular, and that will be 2 sine theta cosine theta. And this one, 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Now, now I write, I'll do the triangle. I have sine theta is x over 3. So I have the triangle. This is theta. This is x over 3. That will be square root 9 minus x squared. Okay, so that will be 81 over 8 sine inverse x over 3. I want everything in terms of that. So I have here 81 over 8 sine theta. 2 cancelled with 16, that will be 8. Sine theta will be x over 3. Cosine theta is square root 9 minus x squared over 3. This times what? 2 cosine square. What is cosine theta? Square root 9 minus x squared over 3. Square it. That will be 9 minus x squared over 9 minus 1 plus c. I think I can leave it like this, or I can simplify some of it. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated. That will be 9 cancelled with this. So I have 9 over 8 x square root 9 minus x squared. This one is what? 2 9 minus x squared minus 9 over 9 plus c. So this 9 cancelled. Yeah, I can make it more. I can simplify it more. Minus what? I have 1 over 8 x square root 9 minus x squared. And this is what? 18 minus 2x, so it will be 9 minus 2x squared plus. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. X cube, I think this one I can't do it with u, because if I let u equal 9 minus x squared, I can write x cubed as x times x squared. So I have du minus 2x dx. So I need, this is minus 2 and minus half outside. So I have minus half. This with this will be my du, integral of du. X squared is what? 9 minus u. And this is square root of u, du. That will be minus half 9u to the power half minus u 9 minus u to the power 3 over 2 du. That give me what? Minus half 9 times 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5 u to the power 5 over 2 plus c. That will be what? Yeah, minus 3 u, which is 9 6 squared to the power 3 over 2. Yeah, this is 1, this is 3, this is cancelled, so it's minus 3. Here I have what? Over 5. 9 minus x squared to the power 5 over 2. Let's see. This is easy one. Plus 2 all square. Yeah, what is this? Simplify the denominator. That's 1 over. This one is square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1 to make it complete square, dx. That square x which is secant square. So that will make the calculation easy. And that dx is secant square x dx. So let us see what will happen. What will be x, by the way? X is 1 plus tan theta. So I put everything now in terms of theta. That will be 1 plus tan theta square plus 1 over what? X minus 1 square, which is tan square plus 1 all square. The x is what? Secant square x dx. That is what? Yeah. I have 1 plus 2 tan plus tan square theta plus 1. So that will be 2. 2 plus this. Okay. This is times secant squared x. And that one is what? Secant square. 1 plus tan square is secant square. So I have secant to the power 4. Don't forget the dx. Yeah, what do you mean dx? This is theta. Sorry. Everything is in terms of theta. خلاص, done. I don't have x and theta at the same time. It cannot be. So this is theta, theta, this theta. Okay. So this is cancelled. I have secant square. So I have 2 over secant square plus 2 tan over secant square plus tan square over secant square. I'm doing it this way because every one of them, I have a way to do it. 2 over secant square is what? Is 2 cosine square. Then I need the half angle, the double angle. Yeah, for sure. I need more space. Yeah. So let me do it one by one. Let me do this. Integral 2 cosine square d theta. That will be 2 half plus half cosine 2 theta, d theta. That will be 1, which is theta. Theta plus 1 cosine 2 theta, which is plus half sine 2 theta plus c. This is the first one. Second one, 2 tan over secant square d theta. That is what? That will be yeah. Okay. 2 tan secant square. How to do that? Yeah, it will be 2 this is sine over cosine over cosine square. That will be 2. Let me write this sine over cosine times cosine square d theta. That give me what? Secant square is just times cosine square. So this is cancelled, this is cancelled. I have 2 sine cosine, which is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta d theta, which is minus 1 over 2 cosine 2 theta plus c. Forget the c, I'll deal with the c later. The last one, tan square over secant square d theta. That will be what? Sine square over cosine square times cosine square d theta, which is sine square. I can use the half angle, the double angle idea. It's half theta minus 1 over 4 and 2 theta plus c. So I, let me say I, call this I, will be the sum of all of these things. So I will be theta plus half sine 2 theta minus half cosine 2 theta plus half theta minus 1 over 4 sine 2 theta. Well, plus 1 of this c. C plus c plus c, I call it c. That give me what? 3 over 2 theta plus half minus 1 over 4, that will be plus 1 over 4 sine 2 theta minus half cosine 2 theta plus c. Yeah, this is, I need to change it into 2 sine cosine because I need to retain everything in terms of x. And this one, I need to change it into 2 cosine square minus 1. So I have what? 3 over 2 theta plus half sine theta cosine theta minus what? Half times 2. That will be minus cosine square theta minus half times minus 1 plus half. Okay. Is it? Yeah, half cosine 2 theta will be what? Yeah, cosine square plus half plus c. I can make it. This is c actually. Now I change everything. I have what was the x minus 1 equal tan theta. X minus 1 equal tan theta. Do the triangle. It's a little bit lengthy, not a little bit, but it's too much lengthy. This is 1. This is will be x square root x minus 1 square plus 1. 1 square, which is 1. Which is just, this is will be square root x square minus 2x plus 2, which is the denominator, okay? Now that will be 3 over 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 plus half, what will be sine theta? it will be x minus 1 over this, and that will be 1 over this, minus cosine square, it will be 1 over this, over the square of this, which is x squared minus 2x plus 2. This I can make it plus c. Half plus c, I can make it plus c. So I think I'm done. Yeah. I have what? Tan inverse of x minus 1. Here I have x squared minus 2x plus 2. In the numerator, I have what? Half x minus half minus 1 plus c, which is minus 3 over 2. I will leave it. That's it. X square root 1 minus x cubed minus x to the power 4. I do this trick. Let w will be x squared. dw will be 2x. So I have 2 and half outside. That will be half. This is du. dw, I mean. Okay. And this is, so I have dw. This is x squared all square. So it will be square root 1 minus w square. Now I will use the trick substitution. Now if we let w, in this case, is equal sine theta, dw will be cosine theta d theta. I'll do the calculation. That will be half square root of 1 minus sine squared, that will be cosine squared, and then square root, that will be cosine theta, times cosine theta d theta. That give me what? Half cosine square theta d theta. This is, I can use the double angle. That will be half plus half cosine 2 theta d theta. So it will be, I can take half outside, 1 over 4. I have 1. I can do the integral right away. That will be 1, which is theta, plus 1 over 2 sine 2 theta, plus c. This is 2 sine cosine times half. So I have 1 over 4 theta plus sine theta cosine theta plus c. And I change everything in terms of x. So I have what? If this is theta, I have w over 1, that's sine. That will be square root 1 minus w square. That give me what? 1 over 4. What is theta? Theta is from here. Theta will be sine inverse of w. That will be sine inverse of w plus 1 over 4. What is sine? Sine is w. And cosine will be square root 1 minus w square plus c. That give me what? Now I retain w, which is x square, because I have everything in terms of x, plus 1 over 4 x square square root 1 minus x to the power 4 plus c. Yeah, that's it. Cosine t over square root 1 plus sine square t. How to do this? Yeah, first I will let w to be sine t. Then dw will be cosine t dt. Now I change the limits of integration. That will be sine 0 is 0, sine pi over 2 is 1, cosine t dt, that, so yeah, this will be dw over square root 1 plus w square. Now I will use the trig substitution. I let w to be tan theta. So I get rid of this. dw will be secant square theta d theta. This one will be what? Tan 0. No, if 0 equals tan theta, then theta equals 0. That will be the first. If 1 equal tan theta, then theta equal pi over 4. So I have pi over 4. dw is secant square theta d theta. And square root 1 plus w square, 1 plus tan square. It's 1 plus tan square, secant square, and the square root, that will be secant theta. So I have what? I have from 0 to pi over 4, secant theta d theta, which I know that will be ln secant theta plus tan theta from 0 to pi over 4. That will be ln of what? Pi over 4, secant pi over 4 is 2, square root of 2, plus 1. And the other one is 1 plus 0. Ln of 1 is 0. So that's it. That will be the answer. Square root 4. I think this question is a good question to be in the exam. But also this one, not that bad. But these two, I think they are too much. This one is okay. Yeah, actually this one use substitution. But this one is too much. Okay. Yeah, this one is good. This one is easy. Yeah. Nice one. That's direct substitution. And it's in definite integral, so no need to go back to the square root because they change everything. Huh? But be careful when you change in terms of theta. I'm having w equal tan theta. So I put w, check the theta. It will be this way. The x over square root 4 plus x square. Yeah, very clear. I will write x to tan theta. And dx will be 2 secant square theta, d theta. Yeah. The x. You should have dx always, huh? Okay. Okay. So just substitute. That will be 2 secant square theta d theta over what? Then 2 secant theta. 2 secant theta. That gives me integral of secant theta d theta, which is then secant plus tan theta plus c. So I need that triangle. I have from here tan theta is x over 2. So that will be, this is theta. Tan is opposite of over adjacent. So the hypotenuse will be what? 4 plus x squared. So that will be ln secant. Secant is hypotenuse over 2 over the adjacent. And tan will be the opposite over the adjacent plus c. I can rewrite this. Then it's ln this one over 2 plus c. And that will be ln square root ln square absolute value of square root 4 plus x squared plus x minus ln 2 plus c. Yeah, ln the quotient will be ln the numerator minus ln the denominator. And minus ln 2 plus c, I can call it c. So this is, I can rewrite it in this way, which is correct. Yeah. X squared, the x over square root 9 minus x squared. Yeah, I let x to be 3 sine theta. Dx will be 3 cosine theta d theta. Plug the numbers. You have what? This is x squared. That will be 9 sine squared. Dx is 3 cosine theta d theta over 3 cosine theta d theta. Yeah, we did this square root 9. It will be 9 minus 9 sine square, which will give me this. Okay, so this is cancelled. What is d theta? Not d theta, okay. That will be 9 sine square, so I have 9. Sine square, I can write it as half minus half cosine to theta. D theta. That give me what? 9 over 2 sine inverse. Oh, don't rush it, don't rush it. I have 9 over 2, 1 minus cosine 2 theta d theta. Now I do the integration, 9 over 2 times theta minus half sine 2 theta. Okay, plus C. Okay, sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine cosine. Okay, and from here, I know sine theta equal x over 3, and theta is what? Sine inverse x over 3. Okay, now we do the triangle. This is theta. Sine is x over 3, so that will be square root 9 minus x squared. So I have minus 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4 times what? Minus 9 over 4 times, no, 2 goes with 2, so minus 9 over 2, sorry, because 2 goes with 2. That will be minus 9 over 2. Sine theta is x over 3. And cosine theta is square root 9 minus x squared over 3 plus c. So that would be 9 over 2 sine inverse x over 3. This 9 cancel with 3 times 3 minus x over 2 square root 9 minus x squared plus c. Nice one. The x over square root 25 x squared minus 4. Yeah, this is what? This is 5x all square minus 2 all square. So what I will do, well, very clear, I need to do it in terms of secant. So I have 5x equal 2 secant theta. So when I plug 5x, I get 4 secant square minus 4. So I have 4 tan square, which is, give me 2 tan. So what is dx? 5 dx, or I can say x is 2 over 5 secant theta. So dx will be 2 over 5 secant theta tan theta d theta. So this integral will be what? 2 over 5 secant theta tan theta d theta over 5 squared is 4 secant square minus 4. So I have 2 tan theta. So this is tan theta cancelled. I have 1 over 5 integral of secant theta d theta, which is 1 over 5 ln secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Are we done? No. I need to change this into x, which is not difficult, through the triangle. I have from here that secant theta will be 5x over 2. So let me do the triangle. This is theta. Secant is the hypotenuse over the adjacent, and that will be square root 25x squared minus 4, which is the opposite. So I have what? 1 over 5, then secant, which is 5x over 2. Tan is what? Opposite over the adjacent, plus the square root 25x squared minus 4 over 2 plus c. I told you I can rewrite it I can get rid of ln 2 this. That will be 5x. This one is also correct. Since ln 2, I can put it with the C. Okay. Yeah, seems to be a nice one. Yeah, very clear. I will let x to be 3 sine theta. Dx will be 3 cosine theta. D theta. So plug the numbers. I have what? This will be 3 cosine theta. This will be 3 cosine theta d theta dx. X squared is what? 9 sine square theta. So that give me what? 9 cosine square theta over 9 sine square theta d theta. That is what? Cotangent square theta d theta. Yeah, cotangent square, I can deal with it how? I know 1 plus cotangent square equals cosecant square. So I can change it to cosecant square minus 1 d theta. Then integrate. That will be minus cotangent theta minus theta plus c. Okay. I'm getting from here that sine theta is x over 3. So I do the triangle thing. This is theta. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this one will be square root 9 minus x squared. What I need, and theta will be sine inverse, huh? But cotan is what? Cotan is adjacent over opposite. So I have square root 9 minus x squared over x minus theta, which is sine inverse x over 3 plus c. Find the area enclosed by this ellipse. And I think I will stop. I think we did good number of questions. So let me stop here. As usual, I don't like to have long videos. So let me stop the recording. Stop recording. Thank you.